My dad's side of the family always had dental problems, and I just always had an issue with teeth breaking and the pain. It got to where it was enough to where I finally reached out to Dr. Wright for help. My dentures that they got for me, it was just one where there were certain things I couldn't eat. I really had not much ridge line on my bottom, and so the bottom denture wouldn't really stick even with adhesive. Implants are definitely the way to go. Main reason was because studies show when you have dentures over time, you start to lose the bone mass in your jaw. So when they have the implants actually in your jaw, it prevents that bone loss. And being, like I said, as young as I am, I definitely didn't want to have to deal with that down the road. They went to battle for me with my insurance because in reality, once Dr. Wright's team showed them the data, they showed them that, oh, your overall health is really being affected. And Dr. Wright just really has been such a blessing, and they went ahead and put the post in my jaw that I needed. Whenever it came time, they said, hey, your insurance is covering this and you're already healed up the post in your jaw, so we can go ahead and switch you into implants right now. It was just a really cool surprise that they had for me. It was really overwhelming. It feels like family when you walk in there. It's just such a welcoming environment. It is probably absolutely the best care I've ever been under. I know a lot of people don't go to the dentist because of fear of the pain, and I didn't feel no pain, which was crazy to me because of how long I had been dealing with tooth pain. And then to have all my teeth taken out and to not feel anything, it was really cool. But it's just real comforting just being able to build that relationship, knowing that that they care for you and that they're gonna do their best. Naturally, I try to be funny, goofy guy or whatever, and so when you do that and you want to make people laugh and you want to laugh with them, and so being able to do that freely again, and like I said, being able to be more confident to even come and do something like this, like I said, that just goes to show the heart behind Dr. Wright and his office, knowing that they will literally do whatever it takes to help make sure that people get the treatment that they need for an overall better life. Just go and talk to Dr. Wright. I mean, he's such a personable guy. He'll literally sit with you and he'll look you in the eyes and he will tell you, what all the options are, what he recommends, and he just leaves it up to you. And so it's just one of those where just go and have a conversation with him. No pressure, no nothing. Just go in and just figure out what he can do for you. I really don't think you're gonna find anyone with not just the skill needed to do the procedure, but the heart behind it to really take care of his patients. There's no one better than Dr. Wright to do the job.